You want to buy a house in 2025, but your bank account says otherwise. You are not alone. Right now, over 70% of renters in the US say they want to buy a home, but they feel completely priced out. The good news, you might not need nearly as much money as you think. This video will walk you through exactly how people are buying homes in 2025 with very little cash and sometimes no money at all. Let us start with one of the most powerful options, USDA loans. These are zero-down loans backed by the government. They are designed for properties in rural or suburban areas. You do not need to live on a farm. You just need to check the USDA property eligibility map online. You might be shocked by how many normal neighborhoods qualify. If your credit score is above 640 and you meet income requirements, you could move in with zero down. Step 2, FHA loans. This is one of the most common first-time buyer programs. You only need 3.5% down, and here's the best part. That money can come from a relative or a friend, or even a down payment assistance program. Step 3, state and local assistance programs. These are often overlooked, but they can be a game changer. Many states offer grants or second loans that help cover down payments and closing costs. Some of these loans are forgiven after 5 years. That means you never have to pay it back. Search for first-time homebuyer programs and the name of your state. There is probably something available. Step 4, use seller credits. In today's market, nearly half of homes are sitting for over 60 days. That means sellers are getting desperate. Many are willing to pay your closing costs or buy down your mortgage rate just to get the deal done. All you have to do is ask. Step 5, leverage lender incentives. Some lenders will offer thousands of dollars toward your closing costs if you use their preferred agent or partner. Others offer low down payment loan types that are custom fit for new buyers. You just have to shop around, ask questions, and never take the first offer. All of these strategies stack. You can combine a low down payment FHA loan with down payment assistance and seller credits and lender incentives. Suddenly that $30,000 you thought you needed, gone. And no, this is not a shortcut. It is a strategy, because in real estate, the smartest money is not always the biggest money. Sometimes it is just the best informed money. This is deep research real estate. We go further so you can go farther. If this helped you feel even one step closer to owning your first home, like, subscribe, and drop a yes in the comments if you want more strategies like this.